Hello and welcome to Southbridge. Today, I will show you how to create a scroll indicator. So this is the sample scroll indicator. So as we scroll into the website, so our progress bar will move. So I will show you how to do this. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get updated for my latest videos. So I have a blank folder here, the scroll indicator folder. So I will create a new file and I will save it as index.html. So I will give a title scroll indicator, and then I will put a div element, and this div element will be our header of our website. So it is the container where we will put our indicator, our progress bar indicator. So I will give it a class header, and then inside this header I will give our heading scroll indicator, and then our progress bar container, another div, and class progress container. So inside this container, this will be the div that will move as we scroll into our website. So I will give it a class progress bar, and I will set an ID my bar. And then after our header, I will create a container div, and it will be the container for our content, for our paragraphs. So class content, and here I will put our paragraph. So I have prepared a sample paragraph here. So this is a sample paragraph, and I will put a header for this paragraph. So let me put h4 and paragraph 1. Then we will just copy and paste this so that our website will be scrollable. So this is paragraph 2. So let us put another 8 paragraphs. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is number 3. This is number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. So let's try to look at this in our browser. So as of now, we don't have styling on our website, so it is a plain text. So we will put some styles in our website. So let me put the tag style. So I will just copy the style I created, since you can style it differently as you want. So we will just check into our browser again. So now we have a decent scrollable website. So as for now, we don't have a scrolling effect in this line, so we will code that in JavaScript. So let us put our script tag here in the bottom, script, and then we will make a function. So I will name it scroll function, and then we will invoke this function from the event, the onScroll event window that onScroll, so is equal to function. So we will call our scroll function. So inside our function, we will create 3 variables. So the first one is the win scroll, and then the next one is the height, and then the scroll. So win scroll is equal to document dot body dot scroll tab or document dot document element dot scroll tab. And then to compute the height, we will type document element that scroll height minus the client height. So document element that client height. So the formula of the scrolled variable is win scroll divided by height, and then we will multiply it by 100. So the win scroll divided by the height and then multiplied by 100. Okay, so now we will update our progress bars width. So let's reference it. So document dot get element by ID, then we will put the ID mybar. So we will update its width. So style dot width is equals to the value of the scrolled variable, and then we will put a %. Okay, so let's try this. So as you can see, our progress bar or our indicator will adjust its width when we scroll into our website. So that's how you can create a scroll indicator. So you can use this in your website. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and please click the notification bell. Thank you.